Another element is try to treat your presentation like a conversation. And we've had this principle a little bit when we've talking about writing, but Ms. Rosenfeld, read it again because I think it applies to speaking.
Don't try to impress people. Instead, try to connect with them.
That's what we're really trying to do. You're not there to prove how smart you are. A really good presentation connects with the people in the audience. A perfect example of this is someone like Maya Angelou. So a lot of people don't like poetry. But you give them Maya Angelou's poetry, Still I Rise, Phenomenal Woman, and they say, oh, I like poetry. I like that. That's really good. Or particularly if you had the chance to see her present. She's someone who wasn't ever out to impress you. She was always there to connect with her audience. And I think a big reason is that for much of her life, she was a teacher. So she taught for a number of years at Wake Forest, and she had this sense of, I just really want to connect with my students. And that can be a good approach to giving a presentation. Again, think back to what we said about the smile that we're shooting for is the smile of someone who has something to share. And it seemed like with Maya Angelou, her poems were little gifts that she wanted to give to people.